Vijayashankar H. Vijayashankar, ulabam semai matagasni kalai photarik naitung arjar pusau kemulat ke Meghalaya. Ya Vijayashankar lapan bam semai Chief Justice ke Meghalaya High Court, Justice S. Vaidyanathon, Raj Bhawan Shillong. Chandrasekhar ula job arsian kumu MP ke Lok Sabha, buat Menteri Sorkar Barim Hagajala Karnataka. Ula Shimti Hagajaka upa gucauhan ubala ekakam hagasni ningkong. Ka Presiden Gari ke Draupadi Murmu ke lathung ya Chandrasekhar kumulat ke Meghalaya. Ula don haga BJP haga jingim san perthai jong dagba mikmat na Mysore constituency ha Karnataka ha ka Lok Sabha. Ula syajiat kumu dekat ke Yang Dorbar ke Jala Karnataka Assembly na Hunsur ha usnem syajar khanai spak khanai pusau bar ha usnem syajar khanai spak khanai pupra bar 8,000 sau. Ula syajiat kumu MP sya ka Lok Sabha na Mysore constituency udai udekat ke Karnataka Legislative Council ha usnem 8,000 shipau hadu 8,000 khan handrio.
With your permission, sir, the warrant of appointment will now be read. By virtue of the power vested in me by Article 155 of the Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, hereby appoint Shri C.H. Vijayashankar to be the Governor of Meghalaya with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 27th day of July in the year 2024, 5th Sravana 1946 Saka, in the 75th year of the Republic of India. Signed, President of India.